Thanks for joining me today. My name is Ryan Sandness, and today I'm going to be talking about how to configure financial reporting security. Financial reporting for Dynamics 365 Finance has several different ways to securely report on your financial data. This presentation will introduce you to the different security options available for both small and large organizations. Look to see if you learned something new. Different security roles can perform different activities within financial reporting. The roles can be summarized as either an administrator, a designer, a generator, or a viewer. An administrator in Dynamics 365 will need to grant users one of the standard roles or apply one of the reference duties to your custom roles to grant access to financial reporting. All roles except the viewer role can access the Report Designer application, but not all roles can modify reports. Many report generation tasks can be done directly in the Dynamics 365 Finance financial reporting page without opening the Report Designer. All report design and maintenance tasks must be done by a user with appropriate privileges within the Report Designer. Financial reporting enforces company security when configured in Dynamics 365 through organization assignment within security rules. Reports will only appear in the legal entity that they were generated for. This is a basic example of security that works when there is no reporting tree, when the reporting tree only references a single legal entity by name, or when @any is specified for the company in the reporting tree. Let us look at the following example. Contoso has three legal entities: USMF, DEMF, and USRT. Roger the accountant has access to USMF and DEMF, but not USRT. If Roger is in USMF and generates the report, he will see the income statement for USMF. If he switches to DEMF, he won't see a report until it is generated for that company. He cannot switch to company USRT, so he won't see the same report there. Another accountant, Arnie, who has access to the companies, can see Roger's reports that were generated in USMF and DEMF. Likewise, Roger can see Arnie's report generations in both companies as well. A reporting tree is necessary when you wish to run a report for multiple legal entities. Financial reporting checks for company security during generation and will also check during report viewing. The caveat to note here is that reports need to foot, so you may see values at a line level when drilling into the report from a summary level. Summary report nodes are typically accomplished by using the @any function in the company. They can contain one or more legal entities' data. To enforce security at a summary level, you will need to use reporting tree security, which we'll describe next. If company security is not enabled, or if you wish to secure summary nodes of the report, then financial tree security must be defined. Users will automatically appear in security, but any groups must be manually created in financial reporting. If a report is generated for multiple legal entities such as USMF, DEMF, and USRT, then that report will appear in all three of these companies. In this case, our accountant Arnie can see USRT while in company USMF. Of course, he can also navigate to USRT directly in this scenario, since he has company access. If we wish to restrict access to the top node of summary of all units, or to an entity like USRT, we can do this through defining reporting tree security with users and groups. You can hide some individual lines of a report in a few ways. This is commonly done for lines like payroll, where you want to prevent users from seeing detail, but seeing a summary amount is acceptable. The XD print control will prevent drill down on a line. You can add a non-printing row control, NP, and then include that row in a complex calculation, cal, which will prevent drill down. You can set the detail level of the report to financial level only, which will have no detail to drill into. In the example here, you see the results that you will see from a drill down. You can see the unsecured line from row 100, but no details from the other formatted rows. You can protect any building block from edits by adding a password. This can help for master formats that are official versions or to reduce contention in large multi-company organizations. You can set or remove the password by clicking the lock icon at the top of the building block. Users without the password can open building blocks to perform a save as, but can't perform edits on the original. There is one hidden configuration option within the user security screen. For users in the designer role, you can optionally mark the option to edit scheduled reports. Administrators have this option permanently enabled, but for designers, an admin needs to opt them in. This setting is intended to help prevent unintentional changes to scheduled reports. There is one more hidden configuration option within the Report Definition Settings tab. Click the Other button, and then go to Additional Options. There's an option to disable unit security. This setting will not have any effect if using company security within Dynamics 365. Thank you for watching. Please connect with me on LinkedIn, check out our community AX in the Field blog, or my personal website. Thank you very much.